Good day, everyone. Jeff here with MarineMax, Lake of the Ozarks. And today we are standing on a brand new 2025 Sea Ray 350 SLX powered by twin V10 400 Mercury outboards. As you can see here on the aft of the boat, we've got a nice solid walkthrough. This beautiful lounger that pulls in and out underneath the swim seat. You've got your Fusion audio speakers as well as your stereo controls for the transom of the boat. Nice little freshwater hose. Another great cooler right here. Easy access to your battery switches right as you come on into the boat. Beautiful Sea Ray U-shaped seating. Obviously your sure shade that extends over the aft of the boat. Plenty of seating here on the inside. Coming here to the galley, we've got a nice little Kenyan grill, freshwater sink, trash receptacle, and of course your refrigerator. Moving in towards the helm, you've got dual Simrad screens, electronic binnacles, joystick controls, Fusion audio system, auto trim. Here we are down below. We've got a spacious cabin that is also climate controlled, as well as a nice spacious head with easy access down below, and then a nice large bow seating with windlass controls for the anchor here on the bow of the boat. So here we are, Sea Ray 2025 350 SLX powered by twin V10 400s. Jeff at MarineMax, 573-606-3035. Have a great day.